Hi guys, let's see how to repair any app in Windows 11 computer. Just right click on the start button and then click on settings. Now click on apps from the left menu and the right side click on apps and features. Now search that particular app in the search box. Let's say you want to repair calculator app. So I will just search that particular app. Now from the search result, on the right of it, look at three vertical dots. Just locate these three vertical dots. Now click on these three vertical dots and click on advanced options. Now scroll down and you'll find repair option. Just click on repair and your app will get repaired. That's it guys. Please do like the video to support us and thanks for watching.